everybody, welcome to Ultimate Outdoors. We're out here at Ultimate Off-Road Performance Shop. We today are going to install a Super ATV windshield and doors. Little bit of a process. Of course, this buggy, which is mine, has a radiator kit in the back, which had U-bolt around here which screwed up the back window and the door, so we welded a little bolt there to hold that. These little bolts for these little armrests or grab bars or whatever you want to call them, 3 out of the 4 of them broke off. Not fun. So, but first of all, we are installing the windshield. We will work on that. Got all the pieces out. Got to soak the rubber seal in hot water, it said, for easier install and cutting. Do that. We're going to get the windshield going. Hopefully it's not too hard. It's a Super ATV flip windshield. It's got the gas little shocks to hold it up in the air while you're riding. So, but this is my project. We'll see how it goes. Shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. So here, we just put the seal on the outside of the window. Before you install, it says to soak in hot water, and it is a good idea to do it, and do it while it's warm, because it does go on pretty hard. It is a good seal, so make sure you do soak it in good hot water, and it's much easier with 2 people. So just to let you know. Okay, so we installed the bottom rail or brace, bracket, whatever. These 2 little holes, I don't know if you can see them. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, that's the bottom of the windshield. As you can see, this is the latch to latch it. So that's where we're at now. I think the top brace goes on next, and then see where we go from there. Not too bad to install so far. Windshield is installed. Now we got to get the latch for closing it and the gas shocks to hold it open when we want it open. So moving right along. It's not too bad a job, actually. Super ATV windshield. Yeah, I know. All right, so here's the windshield. Windshield is all installed. It's a pretty nice windshield. They fit tight around there. The rubber seal. Up in here, you have to drill some holes in the dash. This windshield goes up like that. Bring it down, and it latches. You can also latch it like that, so it's open a little bit, just to get some air if you're going down the road if it's hot in here. You got to drill 3 holes in the dash. They have little crush, whatever you call them, that go in inserts, and then when you put your bolt in, it scrunches them up and tightens them down so they can't pull out. Worked pretty good. Yeah, nut certs or whatever you want to call it. But they took 3/8 drill bit, which is, it says 10 millimeter, but that equals like 9.5 something millimeters. So 3/8 worked. So you ain't got to try to figure out 10 millimeter if you don't have one. 3/8. But pretty nice windshield. Summer, I think I'll be taking it off, putting the half windshield back on. But if you're interested in one of these, get a hold of us. We are a Super ATV dealer. We can have it shipped right to you. Also got them on their website, ultimateoffroadperformance.com or ultimateoffroad.com. It's a little shorter. And thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.